With the exchange rate not smiling, the Samsung Galaxy A53 is the budget king, as at this time I'm recording this video, that doesn't have a power brick, earphones, 3.5mm headphone jack and a case inside the box. What's up guys, it's Michael. I am sad that the little things I mentioned earlier have been removed from this device, but does it make it less value for money, champ? What else do you need from the display on the A53 that hasn't been ticked off your list? A 120Hz high refresh rate, AMOLED display, 1080p resolution, minimal bezels, a perfect screen size, good looking angles, name it. It has a peak brightness of 800 nits and a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 to protect it. For the design, Samsung made a few tweaks to it, which is not that obvious if you don't take a close look at it. With a matte finish at the rear and a glossy frame, the Galaxy A53 feels so comfortable in hand, and I don't feel like dropping it even though it weighs 189 grams. The Galaxy A53 comes in black, white, blue and my favorite, peach, just like Sarah Peachy. Ditchy. With a starting price of 223,000 Naira or $450, you can get the Samsung Galaxy A53 that has 6GB RAM, 128GB of internal storage, or 8GB RAM, 256GB of internal storage with a much higher price tag, but we still get a SD card slot if you are not willing to spend much money. We also get RAM Plus up to 6GB. To tell you how good the Exynos 1280 chipset on here is, it has a similar benchmark score to a 2019 flagship device on the single core side. This is a budget device with an amazing 5nm chipset, totally unbelievable. I made a gaming review on this device which you can check with the link in the description box below. Out of the box, we get Android 12 with One UI 4.0. To be frank, the user experience has been wonderful, and the best part of using this device is that it comes with 4 years of major OS upgrade, which is technically up to Android 16, and 5 years of security patches. Even the Google Pixel isn't doing up to this. Can you imagine? If this video helps you to make a better purchase decision, a sub to the channel will be amazing, and using my affiliate link in the description box below will give the channel a kickback at no extra cost. With the A53 having an amazing stereo speaker which is good for bathroom sessions because of the IP rating, we don't get a 3.5mm headphone jack, but you can always use truly wireless earbuds from the brand or any other brand. I can testify to you that the Samsung Galaxy A53 is top of the bar smartphone when it comes to photography on a budget, with the quad camera setup at the rear that records up to 4K. The 5000mAh battery has been amazing, but you will need a 25W power brick to take advantage of the fast charging it supports, since we don't get one included in the box, and it takes about 70 minutes to fully charge this device from 0 to 100%. As we are going to get up to 4 years of OS update, 5G has been tagged along for future proofing for countries that are yet to receive 5G like Nigeria. We still have the under display fingerprint sensor which unlocks the device, but it isn't the fastest. I would totally recommend this device even with the heavy price tag of $450 or 222,000 Naira, because it is a worthy successor to the A52 of last year. Check out my gaming review on this device here, check out my review on the Redmi 10C here, and check out this playlist here.